Imagine building a stunning, functional website with the power of AI guiding every step of the way. Today, we're diving into how Deepseek AI is revolutionizing web development, making it accessible and lightning fast for everyone. First, you'll interact with Deepseek by describing your website's purpose and desired aesthetic. Think of it as telling your AI assistant your vision. Deepseek then takes these descriptions and intelligently generates the underlying code. This means no more staring at a blank editor. The foundational structure is created for you. Next, let's talk design. Deepseek can help you craft beautiful layouts. You can easily arrange elements, experiment with color schemes, and choose from predestined templates, all within an intuitive interface. Content is king, and Deepseek is your AI content strategist. It can help you write compelling text for your pages, suggest SEO-friendly titles, and even refine existing content for better impact. This process allows for incredibly rapid prototyping. You can see your ideas come to life in minutes, not days. The power of Deepseek lies in its ability to deliver customized designs and efficient content creation, making website development less intimidating and far more efficient. This is the future of web development, AI-driven, accessible, and empowering you to build your online presence like never before. Get ready to explore the possibilities.